Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody...
Hey, Mike Foster here. How you doing today? It's a sit and talk. I used to do the walk and talks. I still do them. But I like sitting in different parts of my house. This is my living room. And today I want to talk about, now it's kind of a funny title, but the meaning is there. It's called Use Your Powers for Goodness versus Evil. What I mean by your powers, I mean all your strengths. And there's a lot of folks that they spend all their time and all their energies and all their strengths and all their attributes and their powers, quote powers, to do bad things, to pursue, you know, horrible intentions and goals. I think that if you have all that energy and you have a lot of talent that you can share, you should do that in a good way. I mean, we could talk about politicians. I don't want to get too political. I've done that in the past. It's not, you know, I don't want to do it. But if you have a lot of energy and a lot of strength, I know a lot of people that they're smart. They're really intelligent people, and they have a lot to offer. But they get caught up in a lot of, you know, their own. They get stuck in their own way. You can call it BS. You can say whatever you want. But if they took that energy, if they took their powers, as I call them, and focused on getting things done, accomplishing things, doing things better, making the world better, making just your small little part of the world better, then we're going to have a better place to live. You're going to be a happier person. You're going to have more of that positive energy. Positive energy drives positive results. Negative energy creates havoc, creates depression, creates anxiety, worry, stress. That doesn't do any good. Take that energy, take that knowledge, take that experience, take that power, turn it into something positive. Use it for good, not evil. You know, I've managed people for years and years, and most of them, the good part is most really want to work hard and do a good job and be successful and use their strengths and their powers to make sure that, you know, they accomplish what needs to be done. But every once in a while you run into an employee that just uses all that effort, all that energy, all that intelligence, because these aren't dumb people, just to try to get around the system, just to try to get over on you, try to just not follow the rules. And it's okay to challenge the way things are done. There's nothing wrong with that. It's okay to ask questions and say, hey, why can we do this in a more efficient way? I'm fine for that. But once we have processes in place in any act of life, in any walk of life, always trying to get around it, you know, trying to be, you know, slimy about it, is not good. There's a lot of criminals are smart, and they use all this energy to wreak havoc and to do nefarious acts and things that, you know, aren't good, aren't healthy, and just aren't things that we want. So if you feel that you've got a lot of energy and a lot of talent and a lot of strengths and attributes, powers we can call them, and you're not using them to the best ability you can in the best way in terms of promoting positivity in making a better life for you and for everyone else, then think about that. Think about it. And use that energy, that terrific energy that you have, that not everybody has, and make something good about it. And you'll be happy that you did. Thank you for you know, hanging around, watching my videos, and tell people about Live Life 365 and subscribe to it on my YouTube channel. Until next time, peace.
Live life 365.
And because we don't want any Dr. Evils. $1 million. Think about that one. Just grape juice. I don't know why people tell me. Like the trolls, they thumb down the video. They probably don't even watch it. They just have this. They're using their powers for evil. And the funny thing is there's morons, big idiots. They have nothing to offer anyone. It's just sad.